Hello everyone and welcome back to English Easy Lovers channel. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Ryan. Today we have a fun topic for you.
Yes, today we are talking about vacations.
I love this topic. Everyone loves vacations, right?
Of course, and this video is perfect for English learners. We will use easy words and simple sentences, so don't worry, you will understand everything.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started.
So Ryan, let's start with a simple question. What is a vacation?
Good question. A vacation is time away from work or school. It's time to relax and have fun.
Exactly. Some people say vacation and some people say holiday. Both words are correct.
Yes. In American English, we usually say vacation. In British English, people often say holiday.
That's a great tip for our viewers. Let's use both words today so you learn them.
Sounds good. So, why do people need vacations?
Many reasons. People need rest. People need to relax. And people need a break from their daily routine.
That's true. Work every day, every week. It's tiring. A vacation gives us new energy.
Exactly. It's good for our body and our mind.
Okay, let's talk about different types of vacations. Sophie, what's your favorite type?
I love beach vacations. Sun, sand, and the ocean. It's so relaxing.
I understand why. The beach is beautiful. But I prefer mountain vacations.
Really? Tell us why.
I love hiking. I love fresh, cool air. And I love beautiful views from the top of a mountain.
That sounds peaceful. Okay, let's list some popular vacation types for our viewers.
Great idea. Number 1. Beach vacations. Relaxing by the ocean.
Number 2. Mountain vacations. Hiking and fresh air.
Number 3. City vacations. Visiting museums, restaurants, and famous landmarks.
Number 4. Adventure vacations. Activities like skiing, diving, or camping.
And number 5. Cultural vacations. Learning about new countries, food, and traditions.
Great list. Now you know 5 types of vacations in English. Please write them in the comments. Which one is your favorite?
Okay, Sophie, let's talk about planning. What do we need before a vacation?
First, we need a destination. That means the place we want to visit.
Right. And how do we choose a destination?
We think about our budget, our time, and our interests.
Good point. Budget means the money we can spend.
Correct. After choosing a destination, we need to book things.
Like what?
We book flights or train tickets or bus tickets. We also book a hotel or a place to stay.
And don't forget, we need to pack.
Yes, packing means putting clothes and things into a suitcase or bag.
What are important things to pack?
Clothes, of course. Also a passport if we travel to another country. Money, a phone charger, and medicine.
Great tips. Let's remember these words: destination, budget, book, pack, and suitcase.
These are very useful vacation words in English.
Now let's share personal stories. Sophie, tell us about your last vacation.
Sure, last year I went to the mountains with my family.
How long was your trip?
It was 1 week. We stayed in a small cabin near a lake.
That sounds lovely. What did you do there?
We went hiking every morning. In the afternoon, we relaxed by the lake. And in the evening, we cooked dinner together.
That sounds like a perfect vacation.
It really was. What about you, Ryan? Tell us about your favorite vacation.
My favorite vacation was to a beach in Thailand.
Wow, Thailand! How was it?
It was amazing. The water was so clear and blue. I went swimming every day.
Did you try the local food?
Yes, Thai food is delicious. I tried many new dishes.
That's the best part of traveling, trying new food.
I completely agree.
Okay, let's talk about something different now. Vacation problems.
Oh yes, this happens to everyone. What is a common problem?
Flight delays. This means your flight is late.
So annoying. What else?
Lost luggage. Sometimes the airline loses your suitcase.
That's stressful. I remember losing my bag once in Spain.
Oh no, what happened?
I waited 3 days for my bag, but finally it arrived safely.
That's a relief. Another common problem is bad weather.
True, sometimes we plan a beach trip, but it rains every day.
So frustrating. And sometimes we forget important things at home.
Like your passport or your phone charger.
Exactly. These problems happen, but we can still enjoy our vacation.
Yes, a positive attitude is very important when traveling.
Now, let's learn some useful phrases for your next vacation.
Great idea. First phrase, where is the nearest hotel?
Perfect for when you need a place to stay.
Next, how much does this cost? Very useful for shopping.
And, can you recommend a good restaurant? Great for finding delicious food.
Another one. I would like to book a room, please. Useful at hotels.
And finally, excuse me, can you take a photo of us? A classic tourist phrase.
These phrases will help you communicate easily during your travels.
Practice these phrases at home before your trip. It will make you feel more confident.
Well, that's our video for today. We learned so much about vacations.
Yes, we learned vocabulary, phrases, and shared personal stories.
Remember these key words: vacation, holiday, destination, budget, pack, and suitcase.
And remember our useful phrases for your next trip.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe to English Easy Lovers for more fun English lessons.
And tell us in the comments, what is your dream vacation destination?
Thank you so much for watching, everyone.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.